Hey guys! Today I am going to show you how to make this super simple t-shirt. It doesn't even have the sewing sleeves and it only takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seams to make. It is a very beginner-friendly project, and once you have understood the sewing process, it shouldn't take more than 30 minutes to make. I will be using the Kristin T-shirt pattern, which you can get in our Etsy or online store. Links are down in the description. This pattern comes in two lengths. One is the regular hip length option and other option is the crop top version, which ends around the waist. And today I'm going to make the crop top style. Speaking about materials, you will need threads, of course, and also you will need a jersey material, or you can try this top from mesh fabric which has some stretch. I will be using a serger, but don't worry if you don't have it. You can use sewing machine instead. You can find a tutorial how to substitute serger in our Instagram. You can find the link in the description. Now let's cut all the details. By the way, I cut those selvages because they were stretching that material and I couldn't lay it flat. Now lay the t-shirt's back panel and front panel with right sides together. Stitch together the left shoulder seam. Now take the finishing detail and fold it on half so the right side is towards outside. You will need to stitch it around the neckline in a way that the right sides are facing each other. So you will need to stitch together all three layers. When sewing, lightly stretch the finishing detail. This way it will lay nicely on your neck. As you can see, the seam we just made is free-flowing all over the place. That's why we should top stitch. Let's work from the right side and make a seam 4 to 5 millimeters apart from the seam we just made. The goal is to catch the previous seam so it will be nicely secured in the place. Now you can see it's looking more neatly. Press the neckline. And while we are here, I will also press the shoulder seam. Now lay the top's right sides together and stitch the right shoulder seam. And now stitch both side seams. If you used a serger, I highly suggest not to cut off the loose ends of the seam, but use a tapestry needle with a big eye and hide these threads inside the seam. This step will ensure that the seams will not tear and it will hold together well even after washing. Now give the final press and you have finished. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And subscribe to our channel for more sewing tutorials. Bye!